Hey my Doers family, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on how to decorate a small Christmas tree like a pro and how to decorate your fireplace using less items and yet it will look gorgeous. I spent very little and some of the items were from last year. Hey, if you guys are new to my channel, I would love for you to stick around and become a part of the Doers family. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell right next to it so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on my social, guys. I am active over there and would love to connect with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
So first thing first, I need a tree. Mine happened to be a smaller one. I then sprayed some silver spray paint randomly so that it does not look monotonous. Then I attached some free pine cones by hot glue. Yes, these cones are free and not too big and perfect for the tree this size. Try to spread them randomly all over the tree, but make sure your tree does not look overcrowded. I'm sure you guys can see what I'm doing. I ordered these red berries online from AliExpress. They are not tiny and comes individually with an wire stem. I took 3 of them and tied together on the branches. Remember, I am working on a small tree, so I would like to stick on the smaller decorative items. It's so easy, you guys. Literally child's play. My little helper also joined. Then I'm gonna spray this fake snow which I bought from Walmart, and the detail of the items used in these projects are given below in the description box. When you spray, try to spray from top because in nature that's what happens when snow falls. Guys, these tinsel stems are your best friend in this Christmas season. You can wrap and tie anything and everything with it, and it really doesn't matter if it shows because it's so pretty. I got 45 stems from Dollar Tree and Walmart also sells 25 for 97 cents. I got a lot of compliments for this fabric decor, that too on a tree this small. So today I'm going to show you how I did this. It's super easy and you can do the same with any size of tree. You might need longer fabric in that case. I took one of my silk scarf and pleat it nicely. Then wrap around the top portion with a stem. Now go ahead and keep folding as neatly as possible. Try to get the folds as evenly distributed as possible throughout the fabric. Now I tucked it in the back of the Christmas tree. We are gonna swing the fabric to the direction of the way you want it to your tree, and the tighter the folds, the better the drip. Once you are figured out, you can go ahead and use the stem to tie off in sections the fabric amount that you need. If you can measure how many sections you are gonna need for your tree, you can just go ahead and tie it off. For my tree, I only needed 3. Now on my very last shrill, I added a sheer fabric just to give a little dreamy effect. So I bought these ornaments from Dollar Tree and it is a set of 3. I just used each of them to hide the knot of my fabric. They worked just fine. You can buy more expensive one and that will look amazing too. Make sure the ornaments lay over the fabric. When decorating the tree, keep in mind that what are the things that really make your tree Christmassy. Wall ornaments are must. Try to maintain a color theme. Mine is blue, silver, gold, And if you see any red is picking here and there, that would be my 1.5-year-old. He wanted to help too. Then you want berries, pine cones, snowflakes, reindeer, gingerbread man. Anything comes in your mind, fill the tree with small beautiful thing. I also added some big ball ornaments just to give some depth, but not too many though. Another very important trick for small tree is place it higher, use different labels so that there is a dimension and you can add more things in different labels. In this case, I placed a train. Walmart is selling these reindeers and the price is very reasonable. I bought quite a few. I placed one in the lantern I made last year. I will give you the link below how I made it, and also added this penguin just to make it look kid friendly. And I also placed the standing deer beside the tree and on top of a gift box. So before heading to the fireplace, I'm gonna bake a cake real quick because hey, Christmas is around the corner. So how can I resist? So of course you want to clean up the area before start anything. Use a microfiber cloth for quick and perfect result. I checked online and these pine and berry garlands are pretty expensive. Some of them are more than 60 bucks. There's no way I'm gonna spend that much, so I decided to make my own. I spent fraction of that on this 9-feet garland from Walmart and the quality is amazing. I just sprayed it on the mantelpiece. To secure the both edges, I'm gonna use these 3M transparent holders. When I'm done, I'm gonna attach my berries randomly. That's how it looks so far. I bought these red glittery branches from TJ Maxx and these beige branches from IKEA. I wrapped a few of them with fairy lights and that also from IKEA. I kept them in a white vase and luckily the mirror doubles the light. Now I got this reindeer from Dollar Tree and as any other glittery item, it shreds a lot of glitter. So the trick is I sprayed some hairspray on it and it was ready to use. I had this buffalo plate fabric at home. I just wrapped it around the neck and attached a berry in the middle and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and attach some ball ornaments now to make it look a little filler. Then I'm gonna place the pine cones in between. Ideally I should attach with hot glue. I'm just doing it quickly for the video purpose only. Now I'm gonna place some candles in different heights. I'm scared to use real fires, so these LED candles are best option for me. After that, I'm gonna spray that fake snow all over the garland and again try to make it look natural. I already had this LED lights from Walmart which is 12 feet long. I think I bought it during Halloween. I'm gonna use it to wrap the garland as it is safe for the kids. So this is the final look of my fireplace. I'm all about easy and budget-friendly DIYs and decor. If you guys enjoy it, leave it a big thumbs up and a comment down below. And subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next one. I love you guys. I will see you there. Bye.